Hi, my name is Jessica, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a hemp necklace. Now, when you're making the flat necklace, what you're going to do is you're going to switch sides. So if you start on the right, the next stitch is going to be on the left. If you start on the left, the next stitch is going to be on your right, and so forth. And you can tell, say you put your necklace down and start it up later, you can tell because the stitch that you just did, the thread is going to be going back, and the stitch that you need to do, the thread is going to be coming towards you. So that's how you can tell which side you need to work on. So since I just did the right hand, and you can see the thread is going backwards, I'm going to do the left. You're going to take that loop, put it behind the middle threads. You're going to grab the other thread, and you're going to bring it under. You're going to pull that out and put that through the hole again. Pull it all the way through. And you're going to pull that tight. And you want to make sure you pull it as tight as you can, or else your necklace is going to come out looking kind of sloppy, and it'll be all uneven if you pull it in different directions. So you want to just pull it as tight as you can, and that's basically your basic stitch. And you can go through the whole necklace doing that, with the hemp, and it's going to come out. Obviously, you can already kind of see the size that it's going to come out. I'm going to do one more stitch just to give you another demonstration. You're going to take, now we're doing the right hand again. You're going to take that right hand thread, you're going to bring it behind the two main threads. You're going to take that left side, you're going to bring it underneath, and you're going to pull it up. Oops. Now if you do, if you get confused about what side you're doing, you can always undo the stitch. It's not that big of a deal. Or if you catch one of the other threads and you pull it in there, you can always just undo the stitch and start back again. And there you go. And that's how you do the basic stitch for a hemp necklace.